In this video, we're going to be checking out the Archeer AH45 Bluetooth headphones right after this. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff. Hey, Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're checking out the Archeer AH45 Bluetooth headphones with built-in speakers. Now, Archeer was kind enough to send these out to me free of charge for my review. Not only that, they also went ahead and included a 20% off discount code, which I'll be leaving for you guys right down in the description box. Now, before we go any further, this is also a giveaway contest. I've got 2 of these Archeer AH45 to give away to 2 of my lucky subscribers. Now, this contest is open worldwide to anyone who is 18 or over. The contest is going to run from today, April 10th, until Tuesday, April 24th. The winners are going to be announced over on my Twitter page, so make sure you're following me, and this way you know whether or not you won. Now, as far as the contest goes, all you got to do is follow the link that I'm going to leave to you guys right in the description box. Go ahead and click that, and then just to get started early, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a like on the video and leave me a comment letting me know why you like this, why you like me, why you like these headphones, what I can do to improve, whatever it might be. And then also don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because how else are you going to know whether or not you won, right? So before this goes on any further, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Alright, so out of the box you have the headphones themselves. Have a good quality feel to them, nice weight, not too heavy but also not too light. Have this nice pattern on the headband here and some generous padding. Be good for long wearing sessions, especially with these cushy ear cups themselves, pretty nice. And this is the speaker themselves right on the outside. Got one on either side. So not bad. And they also included the 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable. You also get your micro USB to standard USB for charging. And they also threw in this illustrated user manual. Now, as far as all the connections go, they're all in the right ear cup. This button right here, slide it up, puts you into speaker mode. Bring it back down, puts you in headphone mode. Here's your LED light. This is your power, pairing, and multifunction button. You got your volume up and track forward, volume down and track back, your micro USB port for charging, your line in, and your built-in microphone right here to answer phone calls. As far as pairing goes, you just want to hold the multifunction button down. You'll see it power up. And you just want to wait for it to start alternating. Just like this. That's pretty much it. Real easy to pair.
All right, so now a quick sound test for the Archeer AH45. Now let me give you some quick pros and cons on these headphones. First up, the comfort. So the headband and the ear cups have that soft, PU leathery type material. Nice and comfortable. Long listening sessions won't be an issue. So that's always a nice touch. They're not too heavy. They're not also overly light. They don't feel super cheap. So, that's always a nice thing. They feel like they have some decent build quality to them. Battery life seems to also be pretty good on these. They do claim to have 1,000 milliamp hour battery inside of these, which is more than I've seen on some of the other headphones. So they do claim to have a 45-hour playback time. So that's pretty good. That's up there, I haven't been able to test that. Obviously, I can't listen to them for 45 hours in a row. But, I have spent probably a good 3 to 4 hours combined listening to them, and you know, there's no issues there. I haven't gotten any battery warnings, anything like that. Even playing them as in their speaker mode, you know, I had them on for a while while I was doing some chores around the house, and there was no issues there. Battery's still holding up. I still haven't had to recharge them, so not bad. And they also do have pretty decent range. They claim to have around 33 feet. I probably got them out to around 25 feet before they started sort of breaking up, like the music started getting kind of stuttery, things like that. So that you know, I don't know about 33 feet, maybe in a straight line if there isn't any walls, but I was at around 25 feet and they were pretty solid as far as that distance goes. Now this one, I don't know if it's a pro or a con, but I was kind of surprised by this myself. When I wired them in for testing, they're actually louder as far as headphone goes and as far as speaker goes when you have them wired directly to your phone or to whatever device. Kind of tripped me out. When you have them in Bluetooth mode, they sound decent. You know, for what you get, it's sort of a trade-off. You know, you're having a half headphone, half Bluetooth speaker. So, you know, it's got to do both jobs, so it can't do both of them perfectly. So there's a little drawback there, there's a little trade-off. But I was kind of surprised that they were quieter in Bluetooth mode than they were in wired in mode. Something I hadn't experienced. Usually it's the other way around. So just keep that in mind in case you're using them. They are louder if you do have them wired directly. And then my main drawback is that the sound quality could be better. But like I just said, it's sort of a headphone that's doing two jobs, both being Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth headphones. So it seems like maybe they couldn't squeeze as big of a driver as they would have wanted to into there without making it overly bulky. So that being said, if I had to give it, you know, a rating of 1 to 5 on sound, I would probably have to give it a 3 to a 3.5. It's not bad, but it's also not great. You get some hip hop going, you know, around, you know, 80, 85, close to 90% volume. It starts getting a little rough on the sound. So, but you know, that's sort of to be expected. On the Bluetooth speaker, I'm actually much more impressed with the speaker sound than I am with the headphone sound. So it's kind of a trip, but it's kind of a cool thing too. So all in all, I do like these headphones. I'm not blown away by them. If I had to give them a rating as far as sound quality goes on the headphones, I'd say from 1 to 5, I'd have to give it a 3. As far as the speakers go, on a rating from 1 to 5, I'd have to give them a solid 4. They're pretty good. But aside from that, I'm not, like I said, I'm not blown away, but they are pretty good. And the fact that you're getting basically a dual device for the price of a set of headphones, not bad. You know, and I can see these being perfect, you know, for people that like to hang around with their friends. Maybe you're outside, maybe you guys are doing some social type stuff, or even if you want to give these as a gift, maybe you've got a younger brother or a teenage kid or things like that. You know, maybe they want to listen to some tunes with their friends or whatever it might be. Makes a great gift for that type of a situation. So if you're looking for something like this, sort of a jack of all trades, both Bluetooth headphones and Bluetooth speaker, definitely take a look at the Archeer AH45. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Archeer AH45 Bluetooth headphones with built-in speaker. Let me know what you guys think of these down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave those down there too, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to check out that link that I left for you guys in the description about the giveaway and the giveaway going on for this contest. There are 2 prizes here, so double the chances to win. So make sure you click that and go ahead and get entered. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, best of luck to everybody who enters the contest. I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.